Hi, this is Barry Smith. I go by Legal Bear on the internet. Just discussing my combination package, which includes all these things that are here, and this time discussing the frivolous return penalty research, which is part of this package. You can see it right there if you follow my cursor. Normally it sells for $257 by itself, but you get it in this $577 package, and along with all the other things that are part of this package, for a net savings of over $1,000. So let's go over here and talk about this. Basically what I've done here, what's included in this, is everything there is to know about frivolous return penalties. And here's my concept, that if pro teams don't go play another pro team without first watching the film of their previous games. They send scouts to watch the game. They keep track of what it is they do. Same with boxers, same with mixed martial artists. They all watch the prior fights of their opponents, see what their tendencies are, see what their strengths are, what their weaknesses are, and they plan a strategy. Well, we're nuts if we go in there and try and fight with the IRS over a frivolous return penalty, and we don't know anything about frivolous return penalties and what they've done in the past, what they've called frivolous, or if we just try and on the fly come up with some reason why it's not legit. And here's another concept. I've got that here in this cart. It says you wouldn't close your eyes and try to drive it, and because you wouldn't go very far. You shouldn't take on the IRS for the frivolous return penalty either with your eyes closed. Okay, so here's what you need to do. You need to put yourself through school, and what I've done is collected up everything that you need to know to give you the absolute best possibility of prevailing on a frivolous return penalty. You got the frivolous return penalty statutes and regs, which is the procedural statute, the Internal Revenue ruling, 7 IRS memorandums, 119 cases discussing Section 6702 of Title 26, 10 cases discussing U.S. versus Long, 11 circuit cases discussing Beard v. Commissioner, 29 tax court cases discussing Beard v. Commissioner. Basically what happened was we found that Long case and the Beard case, and those are things that'll give that say it is possible to do a crack in the code return or an Irwin Schiff return where you said you didn't have income or you put zeros on the lines and have it be a legitimate return. And what else? Frivolous penalty Freedom of Information Act requests. So you can use those to break that down as well. All of these cases have been read and summarized. Succinct summaries of all those cases. 3 sample form letters the IRS uses. So when you get the letter from them, you won't be surprised because you will have already seen it as part of this package. And also 7 sample response letters you could build a custom reply from. Let's see here. And so, boy, I hope you can see why having this frivolous return penalty research will really help give you the best opportunity to win when it comes to frivolous return penalties.